Now, when two lines are perpendicular, let's say this one has gradient m1 and the next line has gradient m2. m1 times m2 must be what? -1. Then they are called perpendicular lines. Is that clear? The product of their gradients must be -1, then they are perpendicular. Clear or not clear? Okay. Alright, now, let's take a look at page 163. Oh, look at page 163. Can you look at the books at the middle there? M1, M2 is -1, or M1 is -1 of M2. Are we correct? How to get the negative gradient? Right now. Yes or no? -1 gradient, right? Okay? Alright, now, let's take a look at example 4. I'm going to show you on the board how to do all this. You must present your work properly, okay? Let's look at example 4. Part 1. Find the equation of the line through this point and perpendicular to the line is. Now, it's a very simple question, but students in the exam will make a mistake. What are we looking about this? The line passes through this point, right? But is perpendicular to this line. Understand? Yes or no? Yes. Now, this one cannot be like that. I got to rewrite like that, right? So that I know it's y equals to what? Mx plus c, right? Alright now. So, what is the gradient of required line? Since it's perpendicular to this, what will be the gradient? -2. Do you all agree? But always write down. You don't write m what? You could spell out, you understand? Radius of the required line is -2. Do you agree? Okay? So, equation of line is colon. Okay? Will be y minus 3 equals to -2 x minus 2, right? Remember, I used this before. So, y will be -2x plus 4 plus 3. Y will be -2x plus 7. So, this will be my equation of the perpendicular line. Is that clear to everyone here? Yes or no class? Yes, you must show properly. Don't anyhow do, okay? Now, let's take a look at part 2. Given that the two lines intersect at the point F, find the coordinates of F. Now, that means I will solve this line and this line. As here, this is just simultaneous equation. I'm not going to solve it. You're going to solve it yourself. Will that be okay? This is just simple simultaneous equation. So, they will get x as, okay, you solve this up, x will be 2/5, y will be 2/1/5, but the question asks for what? This one will be question what? The question asks for what? Coordinates of f, right? Okay, if they want coordinates of f, what must I write? 2/5, 2/1/5. This is in coordinates form. Is that clear? Can or cannot? Cannot. Okay, last part. Alright? Hence, find the shortest distance from P to the line this. Okay? Shortest distance from P to the line this. Now, a lot of people will not understand this question. Okay? I have a line. Supposing it's this. Y minus half x equals to 1. Okay, now class. Shortest distance must be perpendicular, right? Remember? In your trigonometry we did it, right? Now, do you agree this is the line that is perpendicular to it? Correct? Yes or no? And this P lies on the line, right? Which is what? 2, 3. Now, what is this point that is in the intersection? 2, 2/5, 2/1/5, right? Okay? Do you understand what I'm talking about here? Yes or no? student read this, right, they will tell me the gradient is negative half. Can you see straight away you're wrong already? You understand what I'm talking about? You cannot be that careless, you understand? You must look at the question and do it properly, okay? This is not about speed. Speed is one thing, accuracy is one important. Do you follow what I'm talking about? Okay, so are we okay with example 4? Okay, so example 4 is that. Okay, next, we are going on to example 5. Okay, we are going on to example 5. Okay, let's take a look at example 5. Okay, let's take a look at example 5. I'm going to sketch the diagram of the board first. You all read through the questions so that you can understand what it's talking about. Okay? When they give you diagram, please appreciate the diagram. Understand? Don't say they draw diagram no use, got use line, okay? Uncle, I'm teaching A-Maths, right? Make sure you sleep, you got a perpendicular line in the ring. Although you better wake up, okay? Alright, now let's take a look. The diagram shows a trapezium ABCD in which AB is parallel to BC. This one is straightforward, right? Okay. Now, the point A lies on the y-axis. The point B and D are 6, 15 and 2, -3 respectively. Okay. The sides AB and DC are perpendicular to BC. Given the equation of DC is this, find the equation of AB. Now, this is important. They want to find the equation of AB. You know that AB is parallel to what? DC, right? Okay? Don't straight away rush into it. All of you look up. I'm going to show you how I present. What is the equation of DC? It is y minus 2x plus 7 equals to 0. I don't like this form. I will transform it. Y equals to what? 2x minus 7. Are we okay? Are we okay? What is supposed to find? Tell me again. Equation of what? AB, So, equation of AB. All of you look. The gradient must be the same, right? So the gradient is what? 2. AB pass through which one? 6, 15. So it will be y minus 15 equals to 2x minus 6, right? Straight away. Can see it? Can see it? That's why you must do it properly and look at the question, okay? So, y equals to 2x minus 12 plus 15, 2x plus 3. This will be my equation of this AB. Are you clear? Okay. How many of you are in the exam? You will tell me, oh, gradient is -2. Then, all the rest to you. Understand? Your answer will also be -2 marks because I will minus it away. Do you understand? Make sure it's y equals to nx plus 1, c. Okay? Are we clear about part 1? Okay, next I'm going on to part 2. Oh, so that's part 2. The equation of BC. This is good. The equation of BC is now this one. You know BC also passed through B, right? But what's the gradient of BC? BC is perpendicular to AB now. So if this is 2, what's the gradient of BC? Perpendicular. Negative half. Do you all agree? You must write down. Don't skip steps. Follow? Okay? So, sorry, will be y minus 15 equals to negative half x minus 6, right? Can see? It also passes through b. Agree or not? So I will have y equals to negative half x plus 3 plus 15, negative half x plus 18. Is everyone clear? Is everyone clear? Now, plus, it's always like that one. When I do it right, it's always very clear one. Can see, can do everything. But exam come right, everything cannot do. Because why? Never read properly, just want to get the answer. Answer wrong also never mind, just check it. I want to throw a promo already. Who's is it? Take. Why you want to try the promo already, is it? Yes, sir. Go on and find. Okay? Are we clear about part 2? Can or cannot? Now, can you see I do not rush? If you rush, most of it will be safe. Understand? Okay, next one. Part 3. The coordinates of A and of C. Now, coordinates of A, it must be the line AB, right? With what? 0? X 0, right? What's the equation of AB? This one, right? Correct. So, when x is 0, y will be 3, right? So, what's the coordinate of A? 0, 3 straight away. You must know which one and where it comes. Are we clear? Is that all to our question? What did they ask for? Coordinates of what? C. Now, may I know how do I get the coordinates of C? All of look up. I will solve this line and this line, right? Correct? This line is this, which is this one, right? Correct. Then I solve the BC. BC is this. Can you see? I solve simultaneous equation. I'm not going to solve it. It's very clear cut simultaneous equation. So I'm going to solve. You will get x equals to 10 and y equals to 13. So C will be 10, 13. Are we clear? Are we clear? And I left out the solve simultaneous equation because I believe you can solve. Is that understood? Yeah. So now I already know, all of you look up here. I know that A is 0, 3, and then C is what? 10, 13. Everybody okay? Can or cannot? Cannot. Last part, what do they want? The area of the trapezium. Now, of course, you can use half times height times sum of parallel sides. But you must find length, very troublesome. Remember yesterday I gave you the shoelace method already. But shoelace method, you must go in what direction? Anti-clockwise. Very good. So I'm going to apply the shoelace method here. And you all better don't talk. This topic must get 2 marks one in order to get C6. Don't expect your triple to get 2 marks. Look at your face, I know you cannot get 2 marks. Okay? Proving too far away, don't know how to prove. Alright, double angle, forget the formula. Then don't know how to prove. Okay? Compound angle, do halfway also don't know how to do. Then this one also don't get, then what you want to get? Huh? You want to get too much for linear law. Okay? Huh? You want to get too much for what? Completing the square. Maximum value. Bring long, some of you. Okay? This one don't get, then cannot get already. Okay? Okay. Now, I told you before, right? You must go in anti-clockwise direction and you can start from any point, right? Correct? But once you start, you must stop at that point also. Correct? So, area. I'm going to show you now. You must put like that. Okay, you want to start what point? I let you choose. Huh? Okay? You want to start with D? Huh? A. Yeah, D. Look at the top of it. Anti-clockwise means D must go to what? Bang, like that, correct? So I write 2, -3, I always do this. No more 2 lines, it's not bracket already. I always do the 8 one. It's very easy one. What's this times this? 26, very good. This one? Plus 150. This one? Plus 80. This one is very good. What's that? 0 also not enough. You know the plus 0 also can go plus 0 also. Alright? Minus. The other way now, what's this? Negative 30. Negative what? 78. This one is what? What? Positive 78. This is 0, right? What about this? 6. Okay. Can someone press for me this one first? This one is how much? I want this one. What? 194 minus. What is inside this bracket? 54. Okay. Half times what? What's this? 1401. So this will be a 70 unit square. Everybody there? Don't need to go and work so hard, go and find land and after that get all wrong. Everybody clear with what I'm saying? Okay, now, hey, I want to ask one question. What if I start with A? Can also then go where? A, B, C, B, must go back to A now. Understand? Don't also then forget about it and then leave empty after. Understand? So, are we clear now? Are we clear now? Yes? What is this method called? Shoelace. Whatever you method what it's called. Hardware or whatever it's called. Okay, but remember how to apply it, that's all. Okay? Alright, so that will be your example 5. Are we okay here? Are we okay here? I'm going on to example 6, the last one. Okay, all of you look up. I need to explain one concept in your set 1. I don't know why so noisy outside. I want to reverse one concept. Can you all please wake up? I told you already, also left eye. Clarence? Now, if I have a parallelogram, you must know that a rhombus is also a parallelogram. A rectangle, a square are all parallelograms. Okay, now, if I have this, right, the midpoint of DB and the midpoint of AC must be the same. Okay? That means this and this and this, right? The midpoint is the same. Understand? Now, why do I want to give you this? Later I'll tell you. If you need to, you have 3, right? You have this coordinate, and this coordinate. You want to find this one, right? Don't go and use simultaneous equation. Just use the coordinate, find the point there. Understand? Because you use simultaneous, most of you will be easy. Everybody clear? I'll teach you how later. Understand? But I need to make sure you know this concept first. Are you okay? Can the opposite, the diagonals are, the midpoint are the same. Understand? Okay, let's move on to example 6. I'm going to draw this on the board. Okay, they give you this diagram here. How many parts are there in the question? May I know? How many parts are there? 4 parts. I'm going to do each and every part. Is that clear? Because once you know all these examples, right, there's nothing left. All are there. Everybody okay? Okay, let's take a look at the question. The diagram shows a rectangle PQRS in which P is negative 1, 2, and the equation of QR is x plus Py plus 25 equals 0. Find the equation of PS. How about that? Don't look at the textbook. Find the equation of PS. You must know P is parallel to what? QR, and it passes through what? P. Can you see it? Okay, I'm going to write something up. Equation of QR. I don't like this. This one means 3y equals to negative x plus 25. Right? I'm talking to you. Yeah? So, y will be negative 1/3 x plus 25 over 3. Right? Why do I write in this manner? What is the point of it? Y equals to what? Mx plus. So, what is the gradient of QR? Negative 1/3. So, the gradient of PS will also be what? Negative 1/3. So, equation how come become plus 1 there? No? Because minus 1 becomes plus 1. Can you see? Okay? So, this one will be 1 2/3, right? So, plus 5 over 3. This will be my equation for PS. Are we clear? Are we clear? Now, first, can I follow you? You do this one, please look carefully, can? Once the gradient is wrong, you want to get out? Once the equation is wrong, all the rest of you will understand. All the 4 parts, all the 9. Do you understand? Okay, so are we okay with part 1? Yes or no? Yes. Now, part 2. Hold on, look at part 2. Find the equation of PQ. You know it's a rectangle. This will be 90, right? What will be the gradient of PQ? What will be the gradient of PQ? Tell me straight away. 2. PQ also pass through P, right? Everybody okay? So, equation of PQ, y minus 2 equals to 3 x plus 1. Do you agree? Y equals to 3x plus 5. Everybody clear so far? Can or cannot? Now, why do I write all these equations? Is because your class are everywhere, all over the place. You don't know. After that, you don't even know which one to look at. You understand what I'm talking about? That's why you must always label and make sure you know where's the working. Don't go and double check and double trace and copy the wrong working. Understand? Okay, part 3. What did they say? Find the coordinates of Q. Now, this is easy, right? I'm not going to solve. Coordinates of Q means this equation and this equation intersect, right? So I solve what? I solve QR and what? PQ, right? I'll be able to get an answer, correct? Equation 1, equation 2. And they are linear. Okay, I'm not going to solve. Solve. X equals to what? X equals to 1 and Y equals to what? 8. So, coordinates of Q will be 1, 8. Are we clear? Are we clear? Yes or no? Part 3, okay? Okay, now part 4, last one. Given that the area of PQRS is 80 units square, okay? Find the coordinates of R and S. Find the coordinates of R and S. How? This one I know is what? 1/8. Correct? How do I find it? How do I find the coordinates of R and S? Wait, better write down this question first. PQ is what? Y equals to 3x plus 5. Oh, I fill up already. Oh no. What's the equation of Ts? Sorry, not Ts. Yeah, correct. Ts. What is it? Y equals to what? Negative 1/3 x plus what? 5/3, right? Okay? Now, how? I'm going to show you one. Do you agree this is a rectangle? Do you agree this is a rectangle? Yes or no? Rectangle means what? This one and this one same, this one and this one same. The length, correct? Okay? Now, I'm going to find the length of PQ, okay? I'm going to find the length of PQ. Get your calculator ready. How to find the length of PQ? 1 plus 1 square plus x minus 2 square. So this is a square root of 4 plus what? 36. So this is a square root 40, correct? I'm talking to you. Yes or no? Square root 40. Don't have to go and see it now. Okay, just put square root 40 can now. Okay? Now, area of rectangle is 80, right? Correct, plus. Please look at me. Is this correct? Yes, okay. So, what is my next step? PQ times QR must give me 80, right? Length times length must give me 80, right? Talking to you, yeah? PQ is what? So what is QR? 80 over 40, right? Correct? 80 over 40. Don't have to simplify, just make it a letter. Okay? Now, what can I do? You cannot find two at the same time, correct? I let this one be AB line. Can you see it? They are talking to you. I let this one be AB. That means if I plug in the length formula, I must equate to this one. Should be enough, because I'm talking to you. Ladies and gentlemen, are you okay? Maybe long one, this one, 2 pages also cannot do. Are you okay? Then okay, very good. If you're not okay, also cannot, you must be okay long. No choice, okay, come. That's very good. So, how do I apply the formula? Okay, I will have square root of a minus 1 square plus b minus 8 square must give me 80 over square root 40, right? The length. Is it okay? I'm talking to you. Yes, okay. So, I will get a minus 1 square plus b minus 8 square equals to, I will square this one, right? Alright, what's 80 square? Use a calculator. What's 80 square? 6 4 0 0 divided by 40. What is it? What's it? What? 160. Is this correct? 160. Okay. Equation 1, right? Because got 2 unknown, okay? Now, what is the gradient of this one? Just now I rewrite already. The gradient is negative 1/3, right? I'm going to tell you this. All look out. This. I will have b minus a over a minus 1 is negative 1/3, right? Correct. So, I will have, let's say this is negative 1. I will have 3b minus 24 equals to 1 minus a, right? Can you see? Can you see that? Okay, which means a 24 plus 1. So A is actually 25 minus 3B, right? Can you see that? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. A is this. I have this. I got to plug in, right? Can you see it's a simultaneous equation? Okay, understand what I'm saying now? Ladies and gentlemen, okay? Okay, I'm going to do it over here. Okay, can I print out this already? Can I print out this already? Okay, Alright, that's why I say this one is a super long one, Okay. So, what do I have after that? I will have, I sub into A, 25 minus 3B minus 1 squared plus B minus 8 squared is 160. Am I right? Alright, I sub 2 into 1. Okay, this one will give me what? 24 minus 3B, right? Alright. Don't look at the textbook, it doesn't help you. This one has 24 squared. Use your calculator, hurry up. What? 576 minus 2AB, 24 times 6. 144B plus 9B squared plus B squared minus 16B plus 64 minus 160 equals to 0, right? Okay? Now, what do I get here? 10B squared. What is here? Negative 144, negative 16. Negative what? 160B, right? What about here? Okay, plus plus 477. Is this correct? It better be correct, lor. If it's wrong, then we are in trouble, lor. Are we okay? Hey, you better make sure it's correct, you know. If it's wrong, then we are all wrong already. 480, this one. Confirm or not? Okay, I divide now by 10, 10. So what do I have? How do I cross this? 48, how to get negative 16? No. How do I get negative 16? From 1, 8. 12 and 4. Both negative, am I right? I'm talking to you. Is this correct? Yes or no? Yes. So, I will get B minus 12, B minus 4 equals to 0. So, what is my B? 12 or B equals to 4. Now, I want to look up. This one is below this one. So, the x coordinate must be 12. Is it 12 or the 4? Is it the 12 or the 4? Must be the 4. So this guy is rejected, correct? Yeah, I'm talking to you. I said the whole last part, you don't think I finished already, no? Okay? So, just now I cannot remember. It's 25, okay. A is 25 minus 3B, right? Correct? So B is 4 already. So A is 25 minus 3, 4. 25 minus 12, answer 13. So the coordinate of R is 13, 4. Can you see it now? Okay, now I want you to realize something. Hold up. Why is it that I rejected 12? It's higher than the thing cannot. You must look at the figure, you understand? Okay, now I found this already. 13, 4. I'm going to clean off all the rubbish and go and draw something. Okay? How to find the last part? Don't need to work so hard like the textbook is telling you, okay? I'll tell you how to do it. On top. P negative 1 through. Q is 1, 8. R is what? 34. S is don't know, right? Okay, what you want it to be? Can I learn in X, Y? Anything It will be negative 1 plus 13 over 2. 2 plus 4 over 2, right? Remember I gave you the formula? 12 over 2 is what? 6. What is this? 3, right? Midpoint is 6, 3. So, what is the midpoint of QS? Will be what? 1 plus x over 2 and what? 8 plus y over 2, right? Alright, now 1 plus x over 2 must give me 6, right? Because they have the same midpoint, right? Then 8 plus y over 2 must give me what? 3. So 1 plus x is 12, x will be 11. Let's see. 8 plus y is 6, y will be what? Negative 2. So what is my f here? 11, negative 2. Are we clear? Are we clear? Yes or no? Yes, okay. I just want to tell you that this is not simple. Understand? If I still bring in similar triangles, congruent triangles, you're all going to die soon. So what I did is I use midpoint, it's easier. Everybody clear so far? Everybody clear so far? Yes or no? Yes. This one is obviously very clear and very clear cut. You know what I'm talking about. It's just forming some images and things like that. Everybody okay? Can or cannot? Cannot. Excuse me, don't laugh at that. Today I already go through 3 examples. Example